Guys on WhatsApp. I think you are fine. Yes. The main thing is that we are using WhatsApp in our day-to-day life. But we wonder if we can send money to the WhatsApp. Because through WhatsApp we can do everything. Each and everything with the WhatsApp. A part of our life. In today's life, without WhatsApp our life is nothing. But can we send money with WhatsApp? Yes. We can send money through WhatsApp. That is WhatsApp payment. It has been introduced but we don't know about that and how to do it in our phone. So today I am going to tell you about the WhatsApp payment with full experiment and the live demo and how to send it in your phone also. So without any delay, let's start. At first, we need to have our updated version of WhatsApp, in which we have to at first take one phone who have the option of WhatsApp payment. Yes, many of them get these features before, but maximum of us don't have these features. So at first we have to do is the thing that we have to send one link in the WhatsApp, and after that we have to set up all the details in our phone through which we can show you how to send money. So here I am going to show you the live demo. So here I am sending this link through my friend. In the pin button we can see one option, that is this payment. Yes, you can see that 1 rupee 1. After that we have to select the bank, and over that you will be getting verified by your phone number. Yes, you must have the same phone number on your WhatsApp with which you have the UPI ID linked on your bank account. After linking, you have to select that bank account to be added, and after that we have to make this UPI confirm. Then a link notification will be sent to him by which he or she can send the money. Yes, I am sending this notification to him. Yes, you can see on the screen, to receive the payment we have to accept it. After that, in the similar process we have to add the respective bank account. Over there the number would be verified, and after that you can send money to him. After verification we have to set up the UPI pin. If we have previously, then it's no problem. If we don't have, we have to set up it, and after that the UPI will work as we can do in the Tej or the Paytm UPI or the Phone Pay. After linking this done, you can do is to any of the phone. Now there is a message notification that I can send money to Tushar, and here in this pin button he is also getting this payment option. So now I am going to send 1 rupee as a demo. I am putting the UPI pin, so it is going to be blank. After the processing, you are going to show on the left screen that the money has been received, and yes, you are going to receive it in not any wallet but directly to your bank account. Yes, you can send the money directly to the bank account through it. So it is a very good thing, and you can do it with any of your friends. So it is beneficial for us to send, because if we are putting an extra app in our phone, it is taking a space, but if we can do it with the WhatsApp, it is so amazing. So I hope that you like this video very much. So for watching this video, thank you, and please like, share and subscribe my channel.